we're going to go to the toolbox. Yep, let's go back to the toolbox, and I'm going to see some of this stuff for the first time as you. I have seen a couple of things in here already, but I just thought it would be neat that you guys can see the stuff at the same time I see it. First, we'll go through the stuff that I know that's in here, okay? There was nothing in this drawer. Now it's my drill drawer. I put all my hand drills in there, and my bit sharpener, drill bit sharpener in there, because they were in another place and I just didn't like where they were. It's more suitable over here. So that was empty. So we're going to go through this drawer here because I know what's inside there. Because I had to take this drawer out because this drawer was missing a bolt for the or one of these, so it was hanging down. It's hard to open. So we'll go through this drawer here. And there's a 4-jaw chuck in here and 2 3-jaw chucks in here. I'm going to get my gloves on so get my hands all messed up. Here is a small, really small 3-jaw chuck, and then there's another I think even smaller 3-jaw chuck. I don't know if I'm getting this or not. They're probably pretty old. And this is Union Manufacturing Company, New Britain, Connecticut, USA. So, this is a 3-inch. And this is, I don't know what this one is. Pretty sure. I don't know, they're a bit different. I don't know what this is all about. Oh, I see. Okay. Well, isn't that just odd? Instead of having the key to close it, close the jaws, it just spins, and I'm guessing you got there's a spanner wrench in here somewhere, I'm guessing, that you tighten that down with. That's pretty cool. This is made in Massachusetts. I can't really read that. I think it says Orange, Massachusetts. Let me know if that's wrong, but that's what it looks like to me. Is there a place called Orange in Massachusetts? The Lathe Manufacturing Company? I don't know. But this is pretty different. And then, anyway, there's a key and the 4-jaw chuck. And I don't know where it was made. It says something there, but I can't read it. And these are reversed. If you notice, they're reversed. So that's cool. That's cool. That I have one that's already reversed. Because I don't know if there's any more jaws in here. I'm guessing there probably is. If he's got reverse ones for this one, I'm sure he's got the other ones or for this one. As far as the other ones, I don't know. Okay. And we got a brand new apron. Pretty cool. This I knew this came with this because he had it on the lathe at the flea market, and it is a brand new steady rest. Brand new. Right. From Atlas. Even. I do not know how they work. I haven't even seen a video where they've used these, so I will check that out. I know it's for longer pieces to hold it. Or, I don't know. This belt is in here. I don't know what the belt is for. I have no idea what it is. But December 1978. That was in here. I knew this came with the lathe. I already knew that. But I don't remember it being brand new. And that's cool. Right? Okay, this. I don't remember what it is or what it's called, but I've seen them on other people's movies. And this came from Clausing, which is, I believe they own Atlas. But this is one of these guys. Yes, one of these guys. It's a follower rest. It says so right there. A follower rest. I don't know what you use that for. If you know, let me know, or I'll just see it on. And it's pretty much brand new, or hardly ever used. But it looks like it's missing something. I don't know what that is. It looks like it's missing something. I can only hope that would work, and it don't. It's missing something like this, I think. Maybe that's in here, I don't know. We'll find out. It's going to be a long movie. Warning you. Yeah. Here we go. Atlas. Clausing. So. This guy wasn't messing around, you know. And I believe he bought this. That's 1978. I don't know if you're interested. If you're not, that's okay. But for those that are, this is how much this is. guess how much this thing cost back in 1989. That thing cost $553.97. Nuts, headstock assembly, follower rest. For Craftsman 101.07301. So that is that. Back in. Okay, which drawer do you want to go to now? You want to go from up here to down here? Because I do know there's bits in here. I do know there's bits in here. But that's all I know that's in there. There's more stuff in there, so just, I guess we'll work our way up. Huh? Yeah. Okay, go in this one. Because, all right, we have. Now remember, you let me know if I don't know. Here's some quick change gears. Decent. I was hoping this was gonna come with this. I was hoping there was gonna be these. Quick change gears. Decent. I don't know what this is. Is it a tool holder? I think it's a tool holder. Sure, that's what that is. Oh, that is small. Yeah, that's the old-time tool holder. Here it is, too. There's a thing that goes down in there. This is originally what... Actually, this fell out of it. This is originally what came with this lathe, or something similar to this. Right? The tool holder. But it doesn't say Atlas on it. Says the Ready Tool Corporation. This actually did not originally come with this, but nevertheless, that's pretty cool. But I've got a tool holder already on there that holds 4. Well, I don't know if this is a spare. I'm guessing this is is this the original one? I don't know. I know where it goes. It goes up here. Hang on. Goes right here. That's it. Right there. Don't. Yeah, I don't know. I'm confused. Or is this something you can change to make it even so? I'm going to check this out here for a second here. You check this out with me. Let's see, what makes this thing different? It's missing a gear. It's missing a gear. Well, that's odd, because this is the same color as the machine. Well, actually, it's not. Actually, this is kind of a bluish. Anyway, whatever. It is what it is. Don't know. Let's go back in the toolbox. Okay. It's another tool holder. Oh. Oh. It's in reverse. I see. So for like doing reversing threads or something, yeah, I guess you'd have another tool. Cutting tool in here, put it in here, switch it out. And, oh, I don't know what this is. Is this also some kind of tool holder? I'm not sure. You let me know. This looks like a key to something. I don't know. It might be to one of these. It might be to one of those chucks. Here's another. I don't know. I think these are tool holders. That one's a tool holder too, because it's kind of the same setup, only shorter. I got some grease on my hands. Okay, yeah, I'm seeing some stuff in here. Wow. Okay, let me check real quick. That goes to one of these. Hello. Goes to that right there. That probably should go down there with that. Here's a wrench. I'm sure I'll find where it goes. What do y'all think this is for? I have no idea. Here is a you know, slides. I know what it is. I just can't think of it right now. There's some set screws. Here is, oh yeah. Heck yeah. Awesome. Do you know what this is? This is an extra split nut for this. That is cool. Yeah, man, this guy was right on top of stuff. I don't know what that is. This is almost like a... Oh, oh. Oh. says cracked on it. What do you say? What do you say? What do you think this is? It looks like cracked. I don't know if that's coming up or not, if it's blurry or focused or what. Oh. It's a, what is this, a center? Something, a center? There's another one in here too. Just haven't shown you yet. Here's a, oh, shit. I don't think that's the same thing, but if it is tiny. Thread thing. What is this? Shims? Looks like shims. Another set screw. Oh, that's a set screw. Okay. What is in this little thing here? Look like well, it's not what it actually it's in here is not what it says, but wood rough keys, a couple, bearing, and okay, I don't know what that is, what these are for, but these are little wood rough keys, but I don't know what they're for on here. Some pieces of wood. I don't think those need to be in here anymore. Okay, what's in this bag? Let's see what's in the bag. Some screws. I don't know what they're for on here. Or if they're just stuff he had in here. You know, you never know. Have some Scotch-Brite. Okay, what's in the box? Let's see. Some more set screws, pretty big ones. Oh, and some smaller ones, some screw caps in there. Okay, cool. This might have been just stuff he had in here. Okay, let's see what's in this can here, because this was in the box. Oh, cutters. Bunch of cutters. I don't know if they're... Oh yeah, they're pretty sharp. They've been ground. Bunch of cutters in here. That one looks kind of messed up. Yeah, all kinds of different different shapes and stuff. So that will come in handy, but of course I can't use one of these with one of those because they're different thickness, so I'd have to put 4 of these in there. But that's pretty cool. Let's see what's in this. Spare set screws for Enco Square Tool Turrets Atlas Lathe. Okay, right now that means nothing to me. So if you know what the hell what it's talking about, I mean, there are a bunch of these. They look like set screws, but they're not. They're whatever. Well, it does say set screws. Spare set screws for Enco Square Tool Torrents. I don't know what that is. You know what that is? You can let me know. Because I might contact, you know, a certain YouTuber, well-known guy, awesome guy, teaching me all kinds of stuff. You know, I'd like to get his video, but on the Atlas and Craftsman lathe, but maybe I will sometime. Here is a 60-degree tailstock center for use of Craftsman wood lathe. Wow, this isn't a wood lathe. I guess you could do that, but that's not what I got it for. And there it is. Brand new. Brand new. Oh, no. Bag's open. Yeah, it's been used. Yeah, I'm sure you can use it on here. And that is for wood, I'm sure. Here, what is this? And this. Go with this. Another tailstock center. Enco Manufacturing Company. Well, I do believe I just read something. That said that. For Enco Square Tool Torrents. But I haven't found anything like that yet. Let's see, what is this? Morse taper sleeve with end tang. Okay. I'm not taking it out of the bag, it's greasy. So, but yes, I know what it is. kind of know what it is. Put that in there, put that back in there. Number 2 Morse wood center. I don't understand all this wood stuff. Huh. Don't know if I'll be using that. Got a feeling I won't. Number 2 Morse center. Not taking it out of the package. Well, maybe I will. Just that things just never go back the way you want them, and it's all taped up. So we're just going to leave that alone. This came with a lot of stuff. I mean, this is only drawer number 2. Alright. What is this? A number 2 center from Dennis. Precision Twist Drill Company. Hello. Yep. That's the size that fits in this thing here. I believe. Number 2. This is another taper thing. I don't know what this actually is. Craftsman. I don't know what that is. I have no idea. Okay, Craftsman tailstock cup. I don't know what that is. So let's take a look. Okay, I have no idea what you would use this for. If you know what you would use this for, let me know. Okay. Well, let's see what's in this box. It says reverse jaws for 4-inch bison little lathe. Wow, remember I was telling you about some other jaws? That's what these are. And I just learned something this morning that I never knew, because I'm not experienced, but apparently, well, no, it's not apparently, you just can't. You just can't use this with another chuck. It actually has to be the chuck that they come with. I learned that today, that yes, it won't fit any other chuck. It's got a serial number on it. That's what I learned today. It's got a serial number on it, and it goes with that particular chuck. And I'm thinking, since there's 3 of them, and these are pretty wide, I'm thinking they go with the one that is actually mounted on the lathe now, which is cool. So, what do we got here? Oh, is this a backing plate, I think? I'm not sure. Looks like one. A backing plate? Am I right? Is this a backing plate? Let me know. Because I can't remember what those other ones are with the holes in it. There's ones with holes in it. Are those also backing plates? You can mount stuff onto it. The one with the holes. I don't know what you would use. I don't know what I would use this for. But I've got it. Back. Not what it seems, not what it seems. Oh. Manual staple gun thing. Yeah. Okay. Cool. I don't know if what these are. Says something on it. Cobalt. 5/16. Oh wow, I can't read that. Super Max Cobalt. Super Max Cobalt. I don't know if this is, I think it's ready to go. I mean, it's 5/16. Is it a cutoff? Because I know cutoffs are square. What does this say? 5/16 by 2 something. Cobalt. Alright. And get in here. Big head in here. Okay. Yes. This. I was hoping this. I'm sure I know what this is. And I was hoping. And I see another one in here too. A boring bar. Right? A boring bar for boring. And I got something else in here too. I don't know what this is. There's a little thing in here I'm going to have to take out. But, I think say go on like this. Just another cutter. Looks like a reverse one, no? Can you see? I hope you guys can see. Or you people can see. Alright, I'm going to put those back. And I could put a bunch of these back in here because some of them fell out. Another, hello, how you doing? Chuck. Who made this? This is probably the original one that came with it. I don't see nothing on here. I'm guessing this is the original one. That came with it. I know this didn't because this is a Jacobson. How do I know that? Because I saw it. So, I'm sure this is the original. I mean, it just looks like it. Okay, so I'm going to take this little box out. It's got stuff in there that'll spill out. So I'm going to set it up. No, I'll set it here. I'll set it here. I guess these are trays. Yeah, some more cutters. Yeah, I got more cutters than I know what to do with. Remember, in the machinist toolbox, how many cutters were in that too? Hey, this looks like a dual cutter. Yep. Hey, got one on one end and another style on the other. I think. I believe these were handmade. Yes, I think this is a boring bar. I really do. Another. I just don't know what the hell this thing is. Right? What the hell? Oh. What happened? That's pretty cool. Not all of them fit in there though. Okay, what is this? Oh boy. I don't know what this is. It's flat on one end. Round and flat. And I got a few of them in here. These aren't boring bars either, are they? You let me know what these are. They're round with a flat on it. You know, right? Because they won't fit in that. These won't fit in that thing up there. Yes, I said thing because I forgot what it's called now. Tool holder. The dummy. Yep. Got some more. More cutters. apparently you can't have enough cutters. It seems like to me. But that's a pretty neat little box. It looks like, I don't know. Alright, that's it for this drawer. There's a lot of stuff in here, right? That's it for this drawer. Wait, oh. I didn't open this one, did I? What's in here? No, I didn't. I would have remembered this. What is this? Bezel chuck, loose cover. Oh, it's saying the cover's loose. Bezel chuck. Okay. What's a bezel chuck? Because I don't know. That feels like aluminum. Lantern post. That's what that tool hole, that's what that part is called. Lantern post. I don't know why they call it a lantern post. Did it, in the old days, they have lanterns that look like that? I don't know. Yeah, I don't like this. You really have to crank on that. They are for really small bits. I mean, that's like, man, a 1/4 inch maybe? That is it for this drawer.